When we work with our clients, specifically with James Hardie Siding, one of the really fun things that comes up is what are our different options in terms of siding profiles, looks, and textures and things like that. And so it gets me super excited because at this point, most of our clients are doing some variation of products in the home. And I think mixing and matching siding profiles, even if you're keeping with the same color around the house, gives it such an elevated and custom look. We'll start with kind of the baseline. Hardie would be your horizontal plank siding. I love that it comes in a wide 7-inch plank. Most of your vinyl products are a 4 or a 5-inch. So it's nice that you can get that really rich 7-inch horizontal plank, which that's the most cost-effective way to do Hardie on your home. And some clients do. We do plank siding around the entire house. It's kind of a value engineered way to do it. You still get that great, authentic, timeless look. But we have a lot of clients that say we love the look of Borden Batten and as well as shake. And so what's so cool about Hardie's Borden Batten is it's a super authentic Borden Batten as opposed to like a vinyl that's sort of a one-piece molded. A lot of times with vinyl too, the batten spacing is really tight together. With Hardie, we have flexibility to create custom spacing for those battens. I will say that 16-inch on center is the most popular because that's where the seams are and that's where all your studs are. But we look at budget as well. So when we're designing a home that wants to use varying products, horizontal plank siding being the most cost effective, the next step up would be the Borden Batten siding. A little bit more than plank, but still gives a great look. So a lot of people choose to use that in accent areas like the large gables on the home, the front of the house, the 2 side gables, etc. The most expensive option being the Hardie shake. It's rare that we find a client that says, I want to do shake on my entire house. But when we look at doing shake just in small design-focused places in the home, it really doesn't add that much more money, and it does create a really cool look. Again, going back to the production-built cookie-cutter home to a fully custom appearance on the house, especially when we have a budget to work within, we want to be very smart about where we put that money and how we place it on the house so that you get most bang for buck, the greatest look, and it's just a lot of fun being able to use those different Hardie profiles for the house.